Welcome to Life and Spice with Gift. Today we are preparing seafood okra, and these are the ingredients we'll be using. We have our croaker fish, snail, periwinkles, onion, palm oil, okra, and our azusa leaf. So I'm going to start by grating my onions. I don't like seeing onions in my food actually. Okay, and then I'm cutting my okra, and then I'm grating part of the okra. I'll cut part of it with knife and I'm grating the other part of it. The grated part will be like a kind of thickener. And this is the after result. This is what the chopped okra looks like. And then next I'm cutting my adusa leaf into smaller chunks. Then I'm going to fry my palm oil. I'm adding salt, and then this is the grated onion I grated earlier. I allow the onion cook till it gets soft, or fry till it gets soft, sorry. I'm adding my fresh pepper. I'm stirring, allowing it to fry, and then I'm adding my fish. Yeah, so I'm going to stir that. Now allow it to cook for a little bit. Okay, and then I'm adding my seasoning cubes and some water so it doesn't get to burn. After allowing it to boil, I'm now adding my snail. And I'm adding a little bit of water so that the snail can cook. Enough water to cook the snail. Okay, the soup is boiling. And then I add my okra. At this point, you can add a little bit of salt and pepper if you want. But since my kids will be eating this meal, so I don't want to add too much of pepper. They don't like spicy actually, okay? So I won't be adding pepper or more salt to it. So allow that to sit for a while and get boiled up, and then we'll add our crayfish. That's blended crayfish. And then we are adding our big periwinkle. And then the smaller periwinkles, because it's actually seafood okra, so there have to be a lot of seafood in it. I'm supposed to add prawns anyway, but I couldn't get prawn in the market, so that's what's missing. But if you're able to access prawn, I think it will make a lot of difference. I'm adding my seasoning cubes. And I'm stirring for everything to get mixed up. I'll allow that cook for a while. Well guys, as you can see, this soup is already giving everything it's supposed to give. The texture is exactly how I want it to be. I'm tasting it and it tastes really good. Okay, that's my adusa leaf. And our soup is ready. It depends on what you want. If you prefer your okra to be a lot lighter, you can still add more water. But this was just the right texture for me. Okay guys, the vegetable definitely means the end of our cooking has come. And there we go. That's our soup bubbling. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Let us know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you so much and see you in our next video. Bye for now.